Yo, what's up my guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Thomas Christopher. So guys, let me welcome you in today's tutorial where I'll teach you how you can make your custom PCBs at home for your electronics projects. So guys, after designing your PCBs with your favorite designing software, you need to export the GIBA files and the drilling Excel data. So after you have done that with your software, now you can head to FlatCam. So guys, here in FlatCam you will need to set the feed rates, the milling depths, so after that you will need to export the G codes you have just generated. So guys, here on sienci, open those files you have just exported using FlatCam. So guys, set the home in position and connect your machine to your PC. So